AI isn't failing your business, your strategy is. Most small businesses don't fail with AI because it's too complicated. They fail because they're using it backwards, and no one is telling them this. Right now, small businesses are doing one of three things: testing random AI tools, watching endless tutorials, copy-pasting viral prompts. But they're not building leverage, they're collecting features, and features don't create revenue. The real reason most small businesses fail with AI is this: they start with tools instead of starting with problems. AI is not a magic app, it's a thinking amplifier. If you don't have clarity on your bottlenecks, your highest leverage tasks, or your revenue drivers, AI just amplifies confusion. Garbage in, faster garbage out. Let's say you're a founder. You start using ChatGPT to write content. You ask it, write me a post about my business. That's vague. That's lazy. Instead, you should ask it, act as a senior business strategist. My target audience is X. My biggest conversion problem is Y. Identify the core positioning issue and propose 3 angles. Now, AI isn't writing, it's thinking with you. That's the difference. Most businesses use AI as a tool. Winning businesses build AI systems. Instead of one AI writing captions, build a research to distribution workflow. That's leverage. That's scale. Identify one bottleneck costing you money. Map the process step by step. Insert AI intentionally. Keep the thinking human. Automate the repetition. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to upgrade how you think. At Wings AI, we don't sell tools. We design thinking systems. The businesses that win will be the ones with the clearest AI strategy. If you're a founder and you feel overwhelmed by AI, comment system, and I'll send you the exact framework we use with clients.